Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw your data from Spokeo People Search detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your data from Spokeo, begin by visiting the Spokeo website. On the home page, scroll down to the footer where you will find the privacy link. Click on this link to access the Spokeo privacy policy. Read through the policy to understand how your data is collected and used. Next, locate the section that discusses opting out. You should see a link that says opt out or do not sell my personal information. Click on this link to initiate the process. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email, click on the submit button. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from Spokeo. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to verify your request. You may need to provide specific information about the listings associated with your name. Returning to the Spokeo homepage, enter your name and address in the search bar to locate your profile. Find the listings that pertain to you and take note of the URLs. Go back to the opt-out page and select the option to remove specific listings. Enter the URLs of the listings you want to remove. Submit your request for removal. After your request has been processed, you will receive a confirmation email. This confirmation will inform you when your data has been successfully removed. Ensure that you check back in a few days to confirm that your information is no longer accessible. If your information is still present, you may need to repeat the process. Keep in mind that it's a good idea to periodically check for new listings. Consider using a different email address for future requests if your original request does not show results. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw your data from Spokeo. Stay aware of your online presence to protect your personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.